It looks like a good market today. The rupee has gained 0.5%, and same is the case with commodities as well. A second straight day of gains coming in for them. Take a look at the gold prices. That one is trading at a one-week highs, even as there is a bearish report that is out from Goldman Sachs. And you have seen net long positions continue to decline. The ETF holdings also have seen a redemption, but then there are positive cues as well. Bernanke has talked about the possibility of QE3 continuing. Also, you have seen central banks in Russia and Kazakhstan increase their gold reserves for a fourth straight month, and that is supporting the prices. So from nearly 1554 in the previous week, 1610 is how that one is holding in the Asian markets right now. It has been good going for the base metal prices as well. Positive home sales numbers from US and also the Bernanke strong testimony is something that has been supportive for this sector as well. The best gains that you have seen in last 2 weeks is how the base metal prices are trading at this point in time. The crude prices also are trading off their 8-week lows. Of course, the Bernanke assurance is one thing that has helped this space as well. Italy is something that the markets, of course, are keeping an eye on, and the US inventories are putting some pressure that's continued in this space even at this point in time. But how do you trade all of those commodities? For that, let's get in Hitesh Jain from IIFL, and he joins us live on the show. Hitesh, hi, welcome. Let's start with the base metal space, then some bit of a buying coming into that one. Would you get onto the buy side as well?
Yeah, we prefer to buy because, see, although there are no encouraging signs from the Chinese domestic demand, but the Ben Bernanke's recent remarks where they defended the bond buying program and they've downplayed the expectations of change in the bond buying, I think should provide a lot of support to the complex. So today we prefer to buy lead Feb contract around 124.5 with a target of 126 and a stop loss of 123.5.
Also, Hitesh, how would you look at the energy sector? Because crude prices really haven't given much of a confidence, but a bit of an uptick. How would you want to play that?
But we see a lot of deterioration in the crude oil chart because it is primarily weighed down by the reports of Iran and the Western powers making some progress, where Iran is actually thinking of halting some of the nuclear activities in response to the Western power proposal for lifting of some financial sanctions. So I think it would weigh on the prices, and as a result we have seen also softening of Brent oil prices. So I think we would move a tad lower on the energy front, and we would prefer to sell crude oil prices on the higher side. So for today we would prefer to sell crude oil March contract at a little bit on the higher side, that is 5030. With a target of 4970 and a stop loss of 5070.